Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Series S controller is powered and within range. Once done, open the Bluetooth settings on the host device. You do this because the controller's radio is managed by whatever it is paired to. Turning off Bluetooth from the host severs that link. In Windows, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth. On mobile, open Bluetooth in Settings. Locate the listing called Xbox Wireless Controller or Xbox Controller. This is the connection you'll now proceed to disconnect. Tap or click the controller entry and pick Disconnect, Unpair, or Remove. That severs the Bluetooth session. On Windows, you click Remove Device. On Android or iOS, choose Forget or Unpair. This stops the controller from using host Bluetooth, which is why you do it instead of trying to change settings on the controller itself. Make sure the host shows the device as disconnected. If it still appears paired, choose Remove so the host will not auto-reconnect later. Finally, if you want the controller radio off entirely, press and hold the Xbox button for about 6 to 10 seconds until the light goes out. This powers the unit down and stops all wireless. Make sure the host's Bluetooth list shows the controller removed, not just disconnected. If the controller keeps reconnecting, remove the pairing entry from the host and restart that device. This forces a fresh state. If problems persist, repair only when you want Bluetooth active again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.